Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper, the Model Builder, and we're going R2-D2.
R2-D2, Your Highness.
He's supposed to show you this one, issue 35. Music maestro, please. John Williams made all that music, and I know Wayne loves John Williams music. Or not, I don't know which one it was. A Tamagotchi. And here, the lightsaber storage tube. That is what we're building. I don't know if there's a lot of work to be done, but let's see and get to that build. I don't think there's a lot to do, but we'll find out. So we're getting one of those 6mm out again. We're putting that spring on. Then this ring, and we're going to screw that onto that pillar that is there. And we do that on the other one as well. All right. Then we're putting those 6. Let me turn you on. Then we're putting those 6mm screws in there as well, the self-tapping versions. R2-D2. So it's only 5 screws to go in. We've not done anything with this one. So we keep that to the side. And that is stage 35 done. As you can see, it's lying there right there. There we go. 36. We saw this in the previous one, but I'm showing it anyway. Matte painting magic. Spider droids. A little bit about the sensors we have. A parking sensor, which is the sensor that's fitted to the shoulders. Ultrasonic detectors that measures distance in a similar way as to parking sensors. And here's the infrared sensor fitted to R2-D2 feet. 2 diodes. D1 is a LED that emits infrared, and D2 is a detector that reacts to reflected light. So as to this way he knows not to go any further. So it detects a risk of falling. There we go. We all know these. Autonomous cars that are driving, looking around and seeing what is happening. And this is what we are doing now. Okay, 36 is it? 36. 36 as we have here, R2-D2 shoulder fittings. Let's put those 2 in and see what kind of screw we put in. A silvery self-tapping screw. Looks like these. Let's try them anyway. Because the parts that we're screwing onto are metal. Yeah, fine. There we go. That's the first one. And then the second one. There we go. And then the last one, which goes in like so. And then we most probably are going to use the same 2 screws. And then we've got another stage finished. We made that lightsaber, and then now we've made that shoulder, which is not a lot of work, but fine with me. Nice and short videos, and I think that's much nicer for you as well, not to have those very large ones, and sometimes it gets boring when it's going longer. So that's all to do. These 2 parts that you see right in front of you right now. Thank you very much for joining me again. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on. And join me next time when I do some more on this R2-D2 or anything in the background there, or anything on my channel. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye bye.